channel General Knowledge Midas Touch. Let's start, friends. Question number 1. When does the Earth is at its maximum distance from the Sun? Option A, June 4. Option B, January 5. Option C, July 4. Option D, January 3. The correct option is what, friends? The correct option is July 4. On the 4th July every year, Earth reaches that point in its orbit where it is farthest from the Sun. This day is also called Aphelion Day. Aphelion Day. Okay, friends. Next question number 2. Where the coral reefs in India can be found? Option A, the coast of Orissa. Option B, Voltaire. Option C, Rameshwaram. Option D, Trivandrum. Which is the correct option, friends? The correct option is Rameshwaram. Coral reefs on the Tamil Nadu coast are located in Park Bay near Rameshwaram and in the Gulf of Mannar. Coral meaning is a hard substance formed from the bones of very small sea animals. Reefs meaning is a long line of rocks, plants, etc. just below or above the surface of the sea. Coral reefs meaning is a ridge of rock in the sea formed by the growth and deposit of coral. Okay, friends. Next question number 3. Where is the sports stadium Green Park located? So options are A, Kanpur, B, Jamshedpur, C, Cuttack, D, Patiala. The correct option is Kanpur. Okay, friends? Kanpur. Green Park is a well-known multi-purpose stadium of Kanpur in Uttar Pradesh that has hosted multiple international cricket matches. There is a nickname of this stadium, that is Wilmer's Turf. This stadium is located near the river Ganges. It is the second largest cricket stadium in India, established in 1945. Okay, friends. Next question number 4. From where the modern football is said to have evolved? Option A, England. Option B, India. Option C, France. Option D, Spain. The correct option is England. Actually, it is the current game which is still played by 22 players on the pitch with match officials. Okay, friends. Next question number 5. When was Mahatma Gandhi assassinated? Option A, 1948. Option B, 1951. Option C, 1958. Option D, 1971. The correct option is what, friends? The correct option is 1948. So, on 30th January about 5 p.m., the 78-year-old Gandhi was killed by Nathuram Godse. Later on, Nathuram Godse was given capital punishment in the Ambala Central Jail on 15th November 1949. Next question number 6. Where is the headquarters of Assam Rifles? Option A, Shillong. Option B, Kohima. Option C, Aizawl. Option D, Itanagar. The correct option is Shillong. The highest headquarters of Assam Rifles is known as the Headquarters Directorate General of Assam Rifles. It is located at Shillong. It is not a part of army, by the way. It was formed in 1835. It was formed in 1835. Okay, friends. Next, question number 7. Which is the smallest state of India? Option A, Rajasthan. Option B, Sikkim. Option C, Himachal Pradesh. Option D, Goa. The correct option is very easy, Goa. And the largest state of India is Rajasthan, friends. Next, question number 8. What is the full form of GNLF? Option A, Gorkha National Liberation Front. Option B, Gross National Liberation Front. Option C, both option A and B. Option D, none of the above. The correct option is what, friends? The correct option is Gorkha National Liberation Front. It is a national political party in the Darjeeling district of West Bengal in India. It was formed in 1980 by Subhas Khirsing with the objective of demanding a Gorkha land state with India. Okay, friends. Next question, number 9. Rana Pratap Sagar, which is in Rajasthan, is famous for what? Option A, nuclear power station. Option B, aluminium industry. Option C, brassware. Option D, sports goods. The correct option is nuclear power station. It provides fishing activities in the nearby villages and is also responsible for supplying water to Rajasthan Atomic Power Station for generation of electricity. Okay, friends. Next question, number 10. Which is the language used in Bihar? Option A, Hindi. Option B, Maratha and English. Option C, Urdu. Option D, Bangla. The correct option is option A. Okay, friends. And the traditional language of Bihar is Maithili. Friends, Maithili. Okay, friends. Next question, number 11. What the red triangle symbol denotes? Option A, Air India. Option B, family planning. Option C, culture and civilization. Option D, none of the above. The correct option is family planning. An inverted red triangle is the symbol for family planning, health and contraception services. Much as Red Cross is a symbol for what? Red Cross is a symbol for medical services. Okay, friends. Next question, number 12. Which is the southernmost part of the world? Option A, Cape of Good Hope, Africa. Option B, Cape of Horn, South America. Option C, Colombo, Sri Lanka. Option D, Wellington, New Zealand. The correct option is B, Cape of Horn, South America. Okay, friends. Next, 13. Which river associates with the waterfall Victoria? Option A, Amazon. Option B, Missouri. Option C, St. Lawrence. Option D, Jambanji. The Jambanji is the correct answer here. Well, Jambanji is the river which associates with the waterfall Victoria. Okay, friends, it is the 4th longest river in Africa after the Nile, Congo, Niger rivers. It is the longest east flowing river in Africa. Okay, so number 14. Which planets have no natural satellites? Option A, Mercury and Venus. B, Earth and Pluto. C, Mars and Neptune. D, Jupiter and Saturn. The correct option is what, friends? The correct option is Mercury and Venus. Well, Earth has one natural satellite, that is Moon. Okay, friends. B, the total area of Earth contains option A, 141.94 million square kilometer. B, 123.59 million square kilometer. C, 510.1 million square kilometer. D, 139.91 million square kilometer. The correct option is 510.1 million square kilometer. Okay. 16. Question number 16. Subject matter which Manusmriti deals with is related to option A, economics. B, politics. Law, C option, and D, arts. The correct option is law. Well, Manusmriti is usually translated as Code of Manu, but it literally means reflection of Manu. It presents itself as a document that compiles and organizes the code of conduct for human society. It came into being around 1800 years ago. It is a part of a set of documents known as Dharmashastras. It is a code of conduct put together by Brahmins, mainly for Brahmins only, or you can say for upper caste communities. Okay, friends. Next question, number 70. The Indus Valley civilization can be said to belong to the Paleolithic age. B. Primitive age. C. Neolithic age. D. Bronze age. The correct option is Bronze age. Okay, friends. Next, 18. Which was the only Indus city without a citadel? Well, what is the meaning of citadel? Citadel means a place where people go for safety or to defend themselves during wars, basically. So the options are A. Kalibangan, B. Harappa, C. Mohenjo-daro, D. Shanhu-daro. The correct option here is Shanhu-daro. Shanhu-daro is an archaeological site belonging to the post-urban Chukhar phase of Indus Valley civilization. Chukhar phase, okay. Chukhar phase. Okay, friends. Next question, number 19. The script of the Indus Valley civilization was A. Dravidian, B. Persian, C. Sanskrit, D. Undecipherable. The correct option is A. Dravidian. Going to the last question for today. What is the currency of Malta country? A. Kronar, B. Peso, C. Euro, D. Lire. The correct option is Euro. Okay, friends. Thank you so much for watching my channel. Do subscribe and like and comment. Thank you. Thank you so much.